What's good, you guys? It's your man Damien back here with another video. So, as you guys can see here, I am out here in Giddings, Texas, actually. So, I'm actually about to take me a quick nap before I get back on the road really quick. Here at Buc-ee's, one of the smallest ones ever. Yep, I'm finna lay out in this car real quick. I just readjusted my little massage table that I got from school. Picked it up from my friend's spot and everything. So, yeah, you guys can see. Ah! All right. Goodness gracious, I don't know why I'm so sleepy. I guess I didn't get a lot of sleep last night either. But I was gonna try to use my mic. Oh, that's scary. But yeah, I was gonna try to use my mic, but I guess I'm just gonna have to talk louder because honestly, it's giving bad quality. And I'm sorry, it's already a lot of stuff going on with the quality of different things. So I do not want to risk that. Other than that, I'll still use it from time to time, but that's about it, just from time to time, until I can get me a better mic. But yeah, on my way back to Austin, just about an hour away, just taking a quick nap. Comment down below Austin if you guys have ever been to Austin, or if you want to come to Austin. Either one, okay? Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications as well, so that you guys won't miss any videos that I'll be dropping. I've been trying to stay steady with doing daily vlogs, and hey, this is my daily bread. Well, something like that. But yeah. All right, so hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. I just woke up. Truly, honestly, I really don't even feel like talking, but I'm finna go ahead and get on down this highway. I might take a little bit of B-roll, just a little highway B-roll, or I just might do like a quick little time lapse or something like that. So, enjoy.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I'm just making this video right here on the cuff for the most part. So I'm actually, as you can see, recording in my car. I'm about to start doing some Uber and some Lyft and everything. But for the most part, I just got finished watching Final Destination Bloodlines, and I kid you not, you never thought that one small object could make such a big difference. But at the same time, you know, I look at movies like that and, you know, I actually enjoy watching them. And I like horror and scary movies and stuff like that. No, don't get me wrong. Now, this movie is a little bit more B&G, or, you know, if you know what that is, and if you like to watch movies and slashers and stuff like that. So it is rated R. But I mean, I just generally like movies and movies like that, and scary movies in general. For the most part, I enjoyed it. I think you guys should go watch it. Tomorrow, it's going to be Discount Tuesday, and actually I should have been watching it tomorrow, but I was bored today. But I'm about to actually get into some Uber and Lyft, I'm sorry, and that might go ahead and conclude this video, honestly. So just a quick check-in with you guys. I just wanted to, you know, stay consistent with my posting and everything. So here I am with my little setup here, my little tripod thing that I got from Walmart, with the lights on it and everything. I wish it came with a better mic, but unfortunately it didn't. But hey, it's fine. But go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hey, comment down below Bloodlines if you guys are gonna go watch that movie, because I really think it's a cool movie though. Tomorrow I'll be watching Shadow Force. And then maybe this Thursday I'll be watching Ballerina. It's pretty much like a spinoff of John Wick or something like that. But yeah, I'll be watching it on Thursday because I love to watch all my movies before they actually come out on the actual, release date, which is going to be on a Friday. But usually they'll have it out in the theaters, like the night before. So that's usually when I watch it. But for the most part, that's all for this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have been enjoying me with these daily uploads and everything. And I really want to take you guys on a journey with me to this foodie land that's going to be here in Austin, Texas. It's going to be here for 3 days. I'm not entirely too sure the days that it's going to be here, but I will definitely be trying some food. But first, you got to take care of home base, which is these bills I got to get paid. So that's why I'm going to buzz down some Uber and Lyft, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.